What's up, everybody? Heartless back here today with something a little special for you. If you notice, there's a theme, even my t-shirt, my background, the books. What is it? It's Chainsaw Man. If you haven't read Chainsaw Man, you're severely missing out. The anime's coming out later on this year, and I love the series. I read this months ago on the Shonen app. I picked up the first one. I'm like, this sounds crazy and stupid. Let me try it. So good. But besides all that, so I did an unboxing the other day with this badass woman right here. We got Power. Best girl, best demon ever. And we even get Meowie. But I digress. So anyways, I did a Nendoroid unboxing. Didn't fly over too well. So guess what? I'm doubling down on that shit, motherfuckers. That's right. We're gonna open up Denji and Pochita in this and put it together and see if I have what it takes to not f it up and have it fall apart several times like the other videos and frustrate me to no end. But anyways, I just figured I'd show off all my Chainsaw Man manga, some of the merch. Got a poster here, got another poster up there, got Pochita, got my Chainsaw Man light. I just f***ing love Chainsaw Man. It's an awesome series. I cannot wait for the anime. I am so hyped. And Volume 9, I think, comes out next week, but I got it early. Yeah, Chainsaw Man, you should definitely check it out. So anyways, without any further ado, let's get into the box. Alright, let's show off this box. Alright, inside you see you have two different parts. You have Chainsaw Man's head, Denji's head. You got Denji playing around with Pochita. It's just a bunch of cool different shit. There's the other side. I'm not going to spin it because last time I did that, I didn't like how it came out. It was kind of corny, so. And again, you could probably find these. This is probably being released now. I got them through Diamond Distributor because my buddy Lucas hooked it up. He's got an account. But yeah, it's from the Good Smile Company, and they are Nendoroids for anyone looking. And yeah, they're a lot better than shitty Funko Pops. Hate Funko Pops. Alright, so we're going to crack this bad boy open in a second and show you exactly what's inside. Alright, we're going to open this up. hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is my 4th and 5th Nendoroid, and I'm getting slightly better. If you notice, the only issue I had with Denji was his tie that kept on falling off. Power was a different bag altogether. It was f***ing crazy putting her together. But yeah, I definitely like these a lot better than Funko Pops. They look cool. They have a shit ton of accessories. You can change their heads, their arms, their legs. You could probably swap them back and forth and put different body parts and make your own little dude. They do a bunch of different licensing, just like Funko Pops. I think the introductory price is about $45 to $50. I think Power cost me around $80, and Denji cost, I want to say like $95, just because of all the accessories. You can get them in America sometimes, or you can get them from Japan. It depends. Like I said, I got these from Diamond. They should be coming to shops soon. Probably going to sell out. Once the anime comes out, these are going to be hard as to find. So I would, yeah, I would get on that like now before waiting until the anime comes out and then having to spend $200-300. That's crazy. Plus, I mean, you get cute little accessories like Pochita and Meowie. That's so cute. Alright, so do me a favor, like I always say, like a robot. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, tell me go f*** myself. I really don't care, like. And I guess share the with everybody. I don't know, share it with your hairdresser, I don't know, your preschool teacher that you haven't talked to in years, grandmother's usually good to watch, they'll watch anything. I don't know, your best friend, maybe a group that you're in. I just like the banter back and forth. So yeah, I appreciate it guys, and thank you very much, and hopefully you enjoyed me doubling down on these motherfuckers because no one liked the first video, so I made the second! Happened to come 2 days later, but I really do appreciate it guys. Thanks! Bye!